Thank you for using C-Force products. Unboxing. Remember to remove the protective film. How to use stand cover. How to install flexible stand. Stand cover is magnetically detachable. Tear off the sticker. Paste to the back of the display. How to use flexible stand. C-Force CF120Pro Central-hub port introduction. Connect with Nintendo Switch. 1. Use Nintendo Switch original power adapter or C-Force A005 to plug into the USB-C power supply port of CF120Pro. 2. Use a full-featured C-to-C cable to connect the CF120Pro's USB-C display port and display. 3. Remove the Joy-Con from Nintendo Switch and connect the USB-C input port of the Nintendo Switch and CF120Pro with a full-featured C-to-C cable. Connect with an HDMI device, PlayStation. 1. Use a power adapter such as C-Force A005 to connect to the USB-C power supply port of CF120Pro. 2. Use a full-featured C-to-C cable to connect the CF120Pro's USB-C display port and display. 3. Connect the CF120Pro's HDMI input port to the HDMI port of the HDMI device. Connect with computer. Some models can be directly connected to the display with a full-featured C-to-C cable. A full-featured C-to-C cable can be directly connected to the computer's USB-C port that supports video output. Connect with phone. 1. Use C-Force A005 to connect the USB-C power supply port of CF120Pro. 2. Use a full-featured C-to-C cable to connect the CF120Pro's USB-C display port and display. 3. Use a full-featured C-to-C cable to connect the phone to the USB-C input port of the CF120Pro. Thanks for watching and enjoy your products.